EVs are expensive, right? Well, things are certainly getting a bit cheaper in the UK lately. Just this week, Dacia announced the new Spring, which is set to be around £17,000, and the upcoming Citroën EC3 is set to be around £20,000. However, none of these cars are actually on sale today. Up until today, the MG4 was the cheapest new EV on sale at £26,995. But Vauxhall have responded to the recent criticisms about its pricing of EVs, as all other electric models are eye-wateringly expensive. Today, the new Corsa #Yes model starts at £26,895, quickly becoming the cheapest new EV on sale in the UK. It has a 50 kWh battery pack, 221 miles of range, and it comes with a free year of charging at Tesco supermarkets. Don't think though that the price cut has removed all creature comforts. You get a 10-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a whole host of safety technology. The new Corsa #Yes will be available to order directly from Vauxhall online starting on the 17th of April. For more information about this new car, see our blog post in the description down below. So what do you think about the new cheapest EV on sale in the UK? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you again in the next one.